This is another special recipe from South India, a very quick but tasty cabbage recipe. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it splutter. Then add some curry leaves. Saute for 1 minute. Then add 1 chopped onion. Saute for 2 minutes on medium flame. We don't need it to be yellow color. Keep it low flame and add 1 teaspoon Kasmiri Red Chilli Powder, half teaspoon Turmeric Powder and mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Now add 250 grams of chopped cabbage. One teaspoon salt and mix it well. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. Close the lid and cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Just give a stir in between to avoid sticking. Open the lid. Cabbage has cooked well. Switch off the flame. Our cabbage fry recipe is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.